Hey there, my name is Dylan Schmidt and I'm a Senior RMM Admin at Provel Tech. Today I want to go over how to create and adjust machine schedules in ConnectWise Automate. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you never have to miss out on another video. Let's get into it. To access your schedules in Automate, you can go to Automation, Schedules. From here you'll get a window that shows you all of your existing schedules, your default ones being desktops, laptops, and servers. These will apply to those corresponding agent types and basically define when Automate sends commands to ask those agents to send in updated inventory information. So if we were to look at one of our example schedules, we would see what information we're looking at, what time of day we are requesting that information to be updated, and how many times it happens during a day or how frequently it happens. So it is important to consider when looking at your schedules that we have that information being updated at appropriate times. So looking at an example laptop schedule, having everything updated at 2 a.m. will likely get missed every day because laptops get shut off at the end of the day and usually don't come back on until the next morning. So if a laptop was only on 8 to 5 every day, it would never update any of its inventory information to Automate automatically. You can always request that information be updated, and that's where you'll see kind of your, in the computer management screen, inventory information and the last send date in the bottom left, as well as the ability to resend it. But to make sure that whenever you come into an agent, this is always set to a more recent time, this is where your schedules come into play. Having these set to appropriate times every day and possibly multiple times a day will ensure that you're always looking at the most up-to-date information without having to manually resend that command. So coming in here, checking that this information is happening at an appropriate time. So for laptops, we would probably want to change this to maybe 9 a.m., 10 a.m., really any point of the day when we would expect that agent to be online. Another important thing to consider is that having everything go off at the same exact time is not going to be a good idea, because if we have all the commands being sent at the same time, that's going to put a lot of strain on your Automate server and database because it's requesting all of that information all at once. So staggering this out throughout the day when you expect the agent to be online is going to be a good idea. You can also add new schedules as well as delete existing schedules. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on ConnectWise Automate. Let us know what else you'd like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.